What if you could rewire your mind in just 7 days? Dr. Joe Dispenza's method shows you how to break free from old patterns and create a new reality. This isn't just theory, it's science-backed transformation. Your thoughts shape your life. Every belief, every habit is wired into your brain. But Dispenza's research proves you can reprogram these patterns and take control of your destiny. Neuroplasticity is the key. Your brain isn't fixed, it's adaptable. With the right techniques, you can create new neural pathways that align with the future you desire. Step 1. Awareness. You must identify limiting thoughts. Dispenza teaches that by recognizing negative patterns, you take the first step in breaking free. Step 2. Meditation. Science shows meditation rewires the brain. Dr. Dispenza's guided techniques activate deeper states of consciousness, helping you reshape your reality. Your emotions fuel your transformation. Dispenza emphasizes that feeling elevated emotions like gratitude and joy sends powerful signals to your brain to create lasting change. Visualization is crucial. When you vividly imagine your future, your brain records it as reality. Dr. Dispenza's exercises help turn your dreams into neural blueprints. Break the habit of being yourself. Most people live on autopilot, repeating the past. To change, you must step beyond your old identity and create a new self. Step 3. Repetition. Consistency is key. Dr. Dispenza's studies show that daily mental rehearsal strengthens new neural pathways, solidifying transformation. Gratitude rewires your brain. Instead of waiting for success to feel grateful first. This signals your brain to attract the life you desire. Energy matters. Your thoughts emit frequencies. Dispenza explains that tuning into high vibrations shifts your reality, aligning you with new possibilities. Step 4. Breaking the addiction to the past. Your body memorizes emotions. To truly change, you must release past trauma and replace it with new, empowering experiences. Your identity is fluid. Instead of being defined by past failures, Dr. Dispenza's method helps you create a new personal narrative, one based on growth and potential. Step 5. Elevated emotions. The secret to manifesting lies in feeling as if your goals are already achieved. This conditions your brain to expect success. Your subconscious mind runs the show. 95% of your actions are programmed. Dr. Dispenza's techniques help you access and rewrite these deep-seated patterns. Step 6. The quantum field. Dispenza teaches that your thoughts don't just stay in your head, they interact with the universe, influencing the reality around you. Your brain and heart must align. When your thoughts and emotions synchronize, you activate coherence, a state where transformation happens faster. Step 7. Becoming your future self now. Instead of waiting for change, live as if it's already happened. Your brain will follow, shaping reality accordingly. Science backs this up. Studies on Dispenza's students show measurable changes in brain activity, proving transformation isn't just a concept, it's a reality. Belief is everything. The placebo effect proves that your mind can heal your body. Imagine what it can do when you fully commit to your vision. You must detach from the old self. Holding on to past struggles keeps you stuck. Dispenza's method guides you in fully releasing outdated patterns. Change happens in the unknown. Stepping into uncertainty triggers brain growth. The more comfortable you are with the unknown, the faster you evolve. Commitment is key. Transformation isn't instant, but consistent practice rewires your brain. Dr. Dispenza emphasizes daily work for lasting results. Your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who support your growth. Negative influences reinforce old patterns, so choose wisely. Your new reality starts now. Instead of waiting for external change, shift your inner world first. Your outer world will follow. Dr. Dispenza's students report profound changes: better health, increased wealth, deeper happiness. The method works, but only if you apply it. Meditation isn't just relaxation, it's reprogramming. Daily practice strengthens new neural pathways, making transformation automatic. The greatest secret? You're already capable of change. The power isn't outside of you, it's within. Dr. Dispenza's work simply shows you how to unlock it. Your mind is limitless. Once you master these techniques, you'll realize that the only thing standing between you and your dream life is the old you. Now the choice is yours. Keep living the same way, or take control and transform your reality. If you start today, your future self will thank you.